Joe Wiessner Realty with a very special edition, new construction, Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. This complex, up and coming right now, is the Ocean Club. It's got 3 different sections, and these are built by D.R. Horton, and D.R. Horton is recognized as the #1 home builder in the United States. And special thanks to Patty Djokovic for inviting us down today. The 3 sections are the Winds, with 259 single-family homes being built right now. You have the Tides, which is 140 townhomes, and the Coves, which is a spectacular over 55 community, 258 units all told coming up in the Coves. You could see the massive acreage associated with this project, and the community feel within the neighborhood is going to be unbelievably unmatched here in Egg Harbor Township. The amenities are tremendous. There's going to be 2 clubhouses, 2 swimming pools, tennis courts, basketball court, tot lot. There's a recreational field which encompasses almost 2 football fields, walking trails, and everybody's favorite pickleball. Centrally located, close to the shore, all the golf courses in close proximity, and easy access to the Egg Harbor Township schools, which are amongst the best in South Jersey. Let's check it out. We're in the Winds section of the Ocean Club. This is a brand new construction development by D.R. Horton, and I'm in front of the Galen model. This is 2,384 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, and there's 2 other models that you can get here. The Deerfield, 1,950 square feet, and the Hayden is the big one, 2,557 square feet. 5 bedrooms in that one, 3 full baths, and a loft. So D.R. Horton is putting out a really nice package here. Sherry Riles is the salesperson on site at the Winds, and very, very nice salesperson. You could certainly contact her, visit her here on site. You can give us a call, whatever you wanted to do. And this is the premier builder in the United States, building right here in Egg Harbor Township, and we're going to check it out right now. So the Galen model, this would be used as a home office or a living room. You could put a TV in here, anything that you really want that room to be. It's multi-dimensional. To my right is the garage area. Here you have your basement. We'll check that out momentarily. And check this out. You have this gorgeous, quite oversized half bath. The composite flooring all throughout is all waterproof, and you have this awesome kitchen. This quartz countertop, undermount sink, stainless steel appliances. It comes with all the D.R. Horton properties here at the Ocean Club come with the stainless steel microwave, stove, and dishwasher. The refrigerator, washer, and dryer you're gonna have to provide yourself. Also over here we have a pantry, the open air shelving, ample lighting, light and bright. And you have your eating area, opens to your back slider door. Backyard is of good size. And you can see your huge, great room. The 6/6 windows, recessed lighting. Everything that you see here is what you're gonna get when you build yours. There's no real option packages. Other than these slats, these were put in here custom. That's not gonna come with the standard house. Let's check it out upstairs. Walking up to the landing area, I could tell you that the kids are gonna absolutely love this zone right here. They're gonna be playing, their toys are gonna be out, so this is really nice that you have this huge landing area. The master bedroom is right off of the stairs. This is a south-facing exposure on this particular unit, this Galen model, and it's got 2,384 square feet all told. Nice walk-in closet. Look how spacious that is. Terrific. And then the master bath suite is just exceptional. Double vanity, real nice countertops, huge mirror, subway tile, glass surround, and you have your own private water closet, which is nice. Not to mention this linen closet. Nice to have the towels right there. Here you have the washer and dryer. So those are not included in the deal. You have to bring those yourself. We'll call this bedroom number 2. Nice size, easily fits a queen size bed. You have a nice closet area there. Bedroom number 3, and this one is set up as a nursery. Of course, you're going to use the bedrooms however you want. Nice closet behind And this would be bedroom number 4. Good size. I like how the recessed light is in the center and the modern design, just the light spills throughout the entire room. Lovely. And check out the hall bathroom, double sink, soaking tub. It's wider than most, all in really excellent shape. So the majority of these single family homes at the Winds are going to have full basements, and you can see what it looks like. There's 59 of the units that are going to be on slabs, and those are around the perimeter of the property. But the majority, the vast majority, are going to have full basements just like this one. And you can see it's all insulated. You have your steel I-beam, you got your steel posts embedded in the concrete. Concrete is really smooth, nice shape. Got a sub pump pit there for your drain tile system, and you have your carrier central air and furnace, which is real nice. Of course, you have your natural gas hot water heater. Welcome to the Tides. This is brand new construction by D.R. Horton in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey, 08234. And all these models here are 1,500 square foot. They're putting up a total of 140. Looks like they're maybe 20% done. So you still have the opportunity to get in at the very beginning. And these models are 3 beds, 2.5 baths, single car garages, and they have patios off of the back. And there's a beautiful clubhouse that's under construction right now that has amenities galore, not to mention a recreation field, basketball courts, tennis courts, and a pool that any of the people that live here in the community have access to. We're going to check it out now. So real nice composite flooring as you walk in. Kitchen to the left. Oh, by the way, that's the garage area. And check out these countertops. White, gleaming, just lovely, wide. Have a full array of cabinets, recessed lighting, and you have stainless steel. The dishwasher, stove, and microwave comes with the property. You have to bring your own refrigerator and washer and dryer. Got this big bullpen area, big screen TV over here, 8x10 patio off of the rear, and all of the common areas are sprinklered via the association. They're going to install that, but then you're responsible for the water thereafter. Got a half bath right here. And then you got a coat closet. Let's head on up. We got 3 beds, 2 full baths upstairs. To my right, you have your utility room. This is where your furnace is. It's a carrier system. Looks like a carrier furnace, carrier air conditioning coil and condenser. We'll call this one bedroom number 3. Good size. Has a nice size closet. Got the recessed light. Feels good in there. This is your washer and dryer zone here on the 2nd floor where it should be. And you have this terrific, super bright full bath and soaking tub. This will be bedroom number 2. Comfortable space, kind of set up as a home office right now. Each individual family is going to use it as they want. And then making our way here, you have your master bedroom. You have a huge amount of space. Everything feels real nice. You've got a full walk-in closet. Nice, right? And then you have your full bathroom. So this is part of the master suite. Double vanity sink, stand-up shower, subway tile, recessed light, all tight. This is the Cove section of the Ocean Club in Egg Harbor Township, and this is the D.R. Horton over 55 conglomerate, and you're going to have 258 total homes here, and from the looks of it, they're only about 5% done, so you have a tremendous opportunity here to get the lot that you want. And you need to come in and visit Linda Kirk. She's the salesperson here, and Patty Djokovic was kind enough to invite us down here to do this video on behalf of D.R. Horton. So this one has 1,748 square feet. This has some optional things to it. I'm going to describe that as we walk and talk. Let's check it out. Coming in immediately, you have a bedroom, and this could be used as a 2 to 3 bedroom home. And there's some other optional items which are really cool about this, but you can see how nice and neat. And then you have a full bath that would service that particular bedroom. Real nice. As you make your way through, You can see you have the composite floor, waterproof. And this is a flex room. You could use it as you want. You could use it as a bedroom, you could use it as a home office, you name it, weight room, exercise room, anything that you want to do in here. This is the Bristol model, and the Bristol has this really lovely open bullpen area, and it's got the quartz countertops, stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet. Comes with the stove, microwave, and dishwasher. You're going to have to bring your own washer, dryer, and refrigerator. Recessed lights, and you have the 9-foot ceilings in this particular model. Not all the models have the 9 foot, but the Bristol does. And you can see it's got the 42-inch cabinets, beautiful windows, got plenty of sunshine that's going to come in here in the afternoon. And coming this way, you have your dining area, and you have light coming in from every which way, really special room. And you have the back patio, looks to be about 8 by 10, covered, real nice. Master bedroom is large, and you have this glorious master bath suite, which I'll show you momentarily. The adjacent master bath suite, you have your water closet here, double vanity sink, all kinds of cabinets, stand-up shower with the subway surround glass enclosure. And check out this closet. Is this a closet or is this another room? I mean, I could live comfortably in here. I don't know about you. Really nice. And you have the washroom, washer and dryer. You'll have to bring your own. These aren't included. And here, of course, you have your Carrier HVAC system, that central air, natural gas furnace. It's got all the public utilities, public water, public sewer, complete package here. This is the Ocean Club. What'd you think? This is Egg Harbor Township's newest community built by D.R. Horton. And there's 3 sub-communities within the Ocean Club. It's the Winds, the Tides, and the Coves. The Winds have 259 single-family homes that are being built, 3 different models to choose from. And Sherry Stiles Riles, one of the best names in real estate, she's there to assist you. The Tides are 140 townhomes. It's the Del Mar model. And this project is hosted by the impeccable Georgia Letts. And then the Coves, it's an over 55 community, 258 total units to be built. There's maybe a handful that are out right now. And there's 4 different models to choose from with different elevations, really nice community. And this project is hosted by Linda Kirk. You would do well to meet Linda Kirk. She's an outstanding salesperson, super personable. So the big story here is everything's new. It's in the heart of booming Egg Harbor Township. And the amenities that are built in, especially the recreation, make this project an absolute standout. Within this massive complex, there's 2 clubhouses and amenities galore. These include a tennis court, pickleball courts, basketball courts, tot lot, an incredible, almost the size of 2 football fields, recreational field. You could hike, run, sprint, frisbee, whatever you want to do out there, tremendous. And it has walking trails. So the community was built with the people in mind and recreation in mind. Tremendous thoughts, all brought to us by D.R. Horton. The property is centrally located in Egg Harbor Township with the golf courses all around, the shore points that everybody knows about, and the Egg Harbor Township schools, which are highly rated. Joe Wiessner has a link in the description below where you can click that and you can get some highlights on these videos. And of course, if you wanted to see any of these properties, you can contact my office and we'd be happy to accommodate you. And as always, Joe Wiessner, I want to see you at the settlement table.